kitchen. Today I am going to prepare chole, which can be used as side dish for varieties of rotis, puris and including rice. Let's see the ingredients. One teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, required water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chole masala powder, some small onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 chillies, 2 potatoes and coriander leaves. This is channa. You have to soak it overnight for about 8 hours and then cook it in a cooker for about 3 to 4 whistles. This is already cooked. Now let's start the preparation. Now we have to take a pan and keep it in medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil, then put some jeera, then take tomatoes and put it in a mixi jar. And then grind it to a paste. Then add the tomato paste. Add the tomato paste. Then again you have to stir it for some time. Now take small onions and then grind even the onions to a smooth paste. Onion paste to the tomato paste. Add some turmeric powder and then stir it well. You have to cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes till the raw smell goes away. It is getting cooked. To this you can add little more water. Add little more water. Then stir it well. Now the raw smell is gone. So now you can add the cooked channa. take the channa and mix it well. Now you can add some more water also because it is very thick, no? So you want to make it little bit loose, you can add little more water. Now stir it and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. You'll have to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the channa is also mixed well along with the onion and the tomato paste. Now we have to add the other ingredients. First we'll take little salt. Add salt. Then Chole masala powder. Then chilli powder. And mix it well. Now after adding all the 3 ingredients, mix it well and cook it for another 2 minutes. Now the channa is cooked well along with the tomato and onion paste. Now we have to add the mashed potatoes and then again mix it well. Mix it, cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now the chole is ready. Now switch off the gas and transfer it into a bowl. The chole is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Please do try at home and give your feedback. Thank you.